everyone, welcome to the channel.
We are sitting in the middle of a 1988 Toyota pickup frame that we have completely stripped down. Every last nut and bolt has come off this frame. We're just getting ready to send it out to be sandblasted and then completely refinished. Our plan is to do an entire rebuild with a series of videos for you. It'll be a tutorial on every single step of the way.
I'm going to show you how girls can rebuild trucks too.
So as you can see here, I'm taking off the suspension, the front diff, exhaust, engine, cab, bed, everything all the way back. I'll show you some of the rust we're dealing with here. It's mostly just surface rust. Nothing too crazy, no big holes, no rust that's gone through anywhere. We took off our control arms, we took everything off in one piece. Here's the transmission, transfer case. It's all going to be resealed, painted, and reinstalled. This is the rear axle. You see we've taken it apart with all the springs and everything. We're going to get that prepped to go back on after it's painted and cleaned and resealed. Here are all of our brake parts, suspension parts, steering parts, fuel tank, all of it. It's all going to need to be replaced or rebuilt and reinstalled. Here are the internal parts of the motor that were not shipped off to the machine shop. Most of these parts will be replaced as well. The oil pan will be redone, painted, sealed, and put back on. We'll keep the harmonic balancer. Valve cover will actually be refinished and painted. The timing chain will be replaced. Head bolts will be replaced. Water pump will be replaced. These are all the external parts of the motor. The plenum that came off, alternator, hoses. That's the intake, the upper plenum, along with fans, everything. And here is the cab. Completely taken off. Motor is gutted. Most of those components in there will be replaced. Bodywork will be done. We do have a few small issues to address on the inside, like some floor rust. Carpet will either be replaced or deep cleaned, and the dash will actually have to be replaced as well. This will be a series of videos with step-by-step instructions on how we put this truck all the way back together, brand new, from the frame up. Hit that subscribe button on the channel, and every time a new video comes out, you'll be the first to see it.